So I went on Amazon and I picked up one of these turbo whistles, and we're going to be throwing it on the dirt bike today because we're going to see what it do. Rado, why don't you tell everybody why we're putting this turbo whistle on there?
I have no clue. Happy Halloween.
He's got no clue.
Makes that whoop 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 whoop.
We're gonna be mounting this thing right in here like this. First, we're gonna have to do a little bending action. Oh yeah. Doing a proper professional installation here. This is what the instructions recommend for dirt bikes. Just say bend the shit out of it.
To achieve woo woo results. Woo woo.
Something like that.
Oh yeah, electrical tape too. That recommended to all you kids. Use electrical tape.
Use electrical tape.
Stuff that doesn't stick at all in the cold. Or to oily surfaces or anything.
Bit of dirt. Sticks perfect to dirt.
Yep, should have been duct tape, but hey, it'll fall off real quick.
Now it's going to be perfect. This is how you're supposed to mount it. Alright, time for first startup. Prepare yourself for turbo-ness.
It did?
It already fell off. There you have it, folks. Awesome! As you guys can see, that worked awesome. Money well spent. Go get yourself one. Go down below, subscribe for more sick out content like this. Peace!